Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of settings on the application of Telegram. We click on settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above, as you see, we'll search about the application of Telegram and you will click. Here in this page of app info, in this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching and your attention.